Hi my people, this is Asian African News. Today we're speaking about Baba Ijesha. Everywhere social media talking Baba Ijesha. Baba Ijesha is Nigerian movie actor, a comedian. Story about Baba Ijesha. Baba Ijesha, one woman, good friend Baba Ijesha. This woman helped Baba Ijesha back time, helping Baba Ijesha. Help Baba Ijesha pay school fees, help Baba Ijesha till Baba Ijesha become movie actor. Now, before helping Baba Ijesha, this woman daughter 7 years old. Then Baba Ijesha come this woman house. Baba Ijesha touching this woman daughter, small girl, molesting her, touch her everywhere. After so many years, this girl no see Baba Ijesha. Now this year, this girl is 14 years old. This girl see Baba Ijesha on TV, movie acting on TV. This girl call mama. Tell mama this man before coming house, this man touching me, telling me jiggy doing, touching me many places. Now this woman, also Nigerian actress, tell her daughter, okay, now me invite Baba Ijesha, me put CCTV camera, then only you house, Baba Ijesha come, we see what happened. So we get good evidence, take Baba Ijesha to court. So now this woman put CCTV camera home, invite Baba Ijesha come, Baba Ijesha come house. Also, you see yourself, you see the evidence there. Baba Ijesha trying to talk to this girl, trying to touch her here, trying to touch her here, use her leg, all this happened there. Now, Baba Ijesha too much tension of police, too much tension of Nigerian police. This Baba Ijesha, what to do to him? Not good. Child molesting, not good. Say no to child molesting. Say no to rape. Everything you do it with concept of the girl. The girl you talk, this girl I want, maybe the girl up to 18, 20, no tension. Not this small girl, too much tension, not good. So my people, boys, you see girl not up to 18, not matured, no doing jiggy. No touching. Only you see matured girl, you touch. You talk to matured girl, you want me touch? She said you touch. Because you touch small girl, same Baba Ijesha tension you have. Thank you. This is today news. We also will tell you after how we told whether Baba Ijesha court sentence him to prison or not. We tell you later. Thank you.
No, let him wait, Oga. No, please, why did you do this to me, Nimubiri? Please, I don't want them. I know you are saying you are sorry, but I know you. Did I do anything to offend you?
No.
Why would you molest a 7-year-old? I'm saying almost 7+. If you are telling me pay is the devil, fine.
You should not talk about devil now. Only thing they are making now.
But after everything I did for you, why?
You tried.
But why? But I want to understand. I took out my time, registered you in the school. The only thing I didn't even do was allow you to stay in my house. And that was because my marriage just broke up and I didn't want people to know. So what did I do to deserve this?
Oh, deserve it. If I'm lying, look, deserve it. But me, more she me carrying mo bẹ̀bẹ̀. Tó bá kọ̀rọ̀ pẹ́pẹ́ gbé mi lọ, ẹ jẹ́ kí n kàn pa ní ẹjọ́.
No, you have not even answered my question. Why molest a 7-year-old?
mo mọ̀ pé mo ti ṣe tí ò dáa kò dé dáríjì mi.
Is sexual molestation, is it right?
You just tell me I don't understand you about this man.
I understand him now. What show us on English?
No, the thing is that
Ẹ jọ.
he molested her when she was 7, and then he came now that she's 14.
So do it again. Okay, why do it again now? Why do it again now? Okay, tell us why do it again now?
I won't say he not do it.
No, but why do it again now?
Mo bẹ̀bẹ̀ yín ẹ má jẹ́ ká.
I'm going to come. Why do it again now?
Ẹ jọ ẹ ṣàánú mi.
Why do it again now?
Speak English.
Don't bring my bag.
I'm very sorry.
Why do it again
I'm
now?
very sorry.
Maybe we should just hand him over
They are
to,
coming, they are already on their way.
because you are not talking to me.
So Joe said, if any police will come here, we should call them for Zoe to let them. Yeah, once he's registered.
Where is he going? Ma, leave it. Ma, no, don't bother. Sit down back. Ma, bother. I'm talking to you as a friend because I know that you had issues. And that issue, I went all out. I'm asking you, why harass a child at 7 years old and come back and harass her at 14? You are not giving me any cogent reason. You are saying it's them.
Kò jọ pé mi ò mọ nǹkan tó ṣe mí ìgbà yẹn mo bẹ̀bẹ̀ ni.
But Muti, you didn't drink.
Nǹkan tó ń ṣe mí jọ tí ń lọ ọkàn wá sí padà fún mi tí n bá ké tí n bá kú kò lè kò náà rí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ dáríjì mi kan gbọ́kàn yẹn láti dáríjì mi tó bá lè ṣe fún mi lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn ṣe fún mi dáríjì mi. I want to forgive you, but I just want to understand.
Just that I know him, that's why he's saying.
Which you know, this one is what one is the person.
I'm begging you.
Why? I don't understand. If truly you prayed about it, you harassed her at 7. Why come back to harass her at 14?
You know what I do? I'm not called devil, brother. What I done is bad. No doubt about that. It's very bad to molest her. It's very bad, I know. But please, I'm pleading to your Lord, Princess, you did not deserve it. Record it, you did not deserve it because you tried.
Okay, what was
even when I was coming, that's what I was telling you. I said you cannot call me even once. I will answer 3 because you tried for me. Hey Joe, just help me.
Okay, what was your aim now? What was your aim? To just destroy her life or what?
There's no aim. When there is problem, this spiritual problem, Matiwa, Ogun.
You have spiritual problem.
You can't even know. She knows
that you have.
Know what she has.
You have spiritual problem.
She even gave me a number. Someone to go and meet 1 or 2 people.
I gave you a pastor's number when you have problem with your marriage. Did I know that you can molest a 7-year-old or harass a 7-year-old? But you are not making me understand. If you are saying the devil, that was some years ago. You repeated it again. Does it mean you have done it to other people?
I know.
So you are saying if I ask around, nobody will say.
My shoes. My stepchildren for not this thing safe for your hand.
No.
I married a woman that lost her husband 7 years ago.
That's true.
Let me tell you, the daughter is just a little bit bigger than this. So you mean if you were to be in that shoe, you won't spare that little girl?
He's telling the fact.
You know what she calls me?
Daddy. He's not the father.
She did not joke with me.
You are old enough to be her father.
Do you understand? We sleep together in the same bed. It's like my blood. As in, don't like it is my blood. You see the mother. If I call her anything, see. Ah no.
His intention. His intention. Not.
That's what I'm saying. It's intentional. Lanre.
At the point of no.
If it's not intentional,
Three good children.
Boys.
If it's not intentional, why harass a child at 7? Then come back years later. No, why do that?
You know what it is?
It's intentional.
Once you enter, you attack her.
Yes, immediately.
You didn't waste time. You went to search the room if there's anybody.
Yes.
No, I did not.
What did you do?
You searched the whole room.
No. Princess, please wait.
Leave her. Let her express herself. Leave her. It's painful. If she don't express herself, you can show her like that.
Leave her.
Leave her. Let her express herself.
Leave her alone. Let her do
Let her express herself. This can injure her. I know the pain of it. See, you know what I'm going through? My wife left me with 3 boys. After much beg, she called to my family to tell them that I was a ritualist. That's why she left me. Now she's coming back to beg after I married another person.
I've been working with you for how long? Don't play.
Do you understand? This is what I do.
You search the whole house. Immediately I step out.
We were watching you.
If
you lie again,
Why are you lying?
If I come to my door, this guy don't go stop.
What did you now do? Leave him.
I said, no, I'm not. Because what I did is bad. Know this guy. I just said, this place is small than the place we go there. So Mwanya, how many rooms? And I now open this place. I said, 3 rooms. I said, this place is small.
Where did you open? Wait, where did you open?
Here.
That's all. That's all.
No.
Where again?
I open here.
That's all.
I enter here.
Is it your house?
Bushman, when you are
Is it your
house
house?
But I was not around.
Is it your house?
No.
Was the owner around?
But no. Close.
So what?
You have never been here before.
That's why you molest her daughter.
No.
That's what you're telling me. That you feel free
to pay her back with that.
I did bad. Anywhere I did bad. I don't need to hide my feelings or anything. I'm not lying, please.
But I'm saying, why harass her again? That's why I say twice. That's why we are asking.
That's the thing.
Ayele. Please.
After 7 years, you came back again.
So I should leave you with them. Leave you with them.
Oh, bros, I'm not watching now. No. Auntie will do all those.